Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support by watching all my videos. This is my last day in Puerto Princesa City. My adventure will end today. And city of Puerto Princesa, Palawan is so beautiful. And I really enjoy the tour. Let's have a quick tour in Puerto Princesa Airport. Our flight is 7:35 p.m. bound to Manila. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. And see you Baguio. And after Baguio City, I'll go back to London. Thank you guys for the continuing support to my channel. And God bless us all. Ang ganda guys oh. Ayan guys, papasok na kami. Ayan, ang ganda po ng airport ng Puerto Princesa. Silipin po natin tong Palawan Treasure. Mamaya pa naman pong 7 p.m. yung aming flight. Ang ganda oh. Ayan, Palawan Treasures. Another souvenir shop pala ito. Tali mo, Philippine Jeepneys. Ganda. El Nido. Ang ganda guys, oh, yung mga product ng Ed. Ito ang maganda. Ang ganda, oh. Mga bag. Galing na kasi tayo sa souvenir items kanina eh. Nasadahan na lang natin. Ang ganda ng mga bags. Ang ganda ng design nila oh, mga pasabit. Puro siya shell. Puerto Princesa. Guys, let's go. Bali flight namin is 7:35. Naka-check-in na kami. Doon kami sa gate 2. Meron na naman palang souvenir shop dito. Doon guys sa labas yung ano, mga chef kung gusto mo kumain. Pero kasi naka-check-in na kami eh. Ang ganda. The Island Souvenirs. Kahit saan may souvenir shop. Ayun o, ang ganda ng ano, I love Palawan. Halika mo na rito. Check natin to guys. Ang ganda eh. Ang ganda ng cup. Ang ganda ng mug. I love Coron Palawan. Ang ganda niya oh. Memory magnets. Ganda. Meron pa yung isang shop rito eh. Princess Fort. Ito naman ay mga goodies. Of course, yung mga price dito siguro is medyo mataas siguro kasi nandito tayo sa airport. Guys, ang gaganda. Yan. Pero nakabili na kasi ako ng mga goodies eh. Tara guys, punta na tayo sa ating gate. Doon na tayo umupo. Meron din palang kids zone dito. Kids play area. Puntahan natin. Ayan o. Para sa mga bata, hindi mag-ano. You know, it's play area. Hello, Ian! Hi! Love, mommy? Love, mommy? Nag-play ka? Nag-play ka yan? Yeah, go and play. Rain? Ayun guys. Sorry. Gate 2 kami. Diyan kami. We're waiting for our flight.
Passengers on this flight, please remain within the pre-departure area.
We're waiting for our flight. Ayun naman yung first family nasa kabila. Morning na kami guys. Yan guys, dalawa yung kabila. Yan kami sa kabila. Sa loob na kami ng airlines. We're going back to Manila and after we're going straight from Manila International Airport. We're going straight to Baguio City, Philippines. Ayan yung first family. Isang row lang kami. Manager, say hi. My baby set. Yung turista nasa likod. Ayun.
Yung foreigner natin.
Foreigner nasa likod.
Before leaving the aircraft, it was a pleasure having you on board and look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Chuck Barin, First Officer Arthur Butang, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. For safety reasons, all guests are required to remain seated until the aircraft is complete stop at the parking bay and the fasten seatbelt sign and switch off. Thank you for your cooperation.